This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, you're just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. Mummy's going out and leaving Dad in charge. Come on. Car wash.
Be good.
We will.
I know what you three are like. Don't go getting messy.
We won't.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
When Dad's in charge, it can mean only one thing. It's time for a dead rodeo. Faster! Dad's too wobbly! Again!
No! Lunchtime! And tidy up time. Now, what should we have for lunch? Sandwiches?
Yes! That's special sandwiches! I'll help. And I'll tidy.
Thanks, Topsy.
Did you wash your hands properly, Dad?
Yes, Tim, did you?
Yes.
Right. Where do we start?
Making Dad's special sandwiches is fun. One piece of bread,
Thank you.
start with.
Good boy. And then a slice of yummy cheese. Okay. More bread, please.
And then some yummy lettuce.
Oh, and Dad's special ingredients.
Peanut butter.
Okay.
Yum.
Oh, looking good. Okay, finally, one more slice. And what do we do last?
Cut it in three.
Good boy. Ta-da! Topsy!
Topsy, we're having Dad's special sandwiches for lunch. Yummy. Coming.
Cheese, peanut butter, and lettuce.
Yum.
Yum! Ready?
Yep.
Steady. Moo! Good job, you two.
Thanks for lunch, Dad. What should we do now?
Well, since it's such a nice day, I'm going to wash the car.
Yes! Yes! Can we help wash the car, Dad?
No, because you heard Mummy. She doesn't want you to get messy.
Oh, but can we watch you? We won't get messy if we're just watching. Yeah. Please, Double, please. Dad splashes soapy water onto the car to get it clean. Washing the car is fun, but watching Dad wash the car isn't. Dad, please can we help you wash the car?
Oh, no. Anyway, I'm nearly done.
Topsy! Boing! I'll get you for that. No, no, Topsy, no! I'm not going to get you. I'm going to get Dad. No!
Thank you, Topsy. I'll have that.
Oh.
Okay, I give in. You can help me. You might get less messy if you do. You can clean a wheel each.
Yay! Thanks, Dad.
Okay. There you go, Tim.
I'll clean this wheel for you, Dad. And I'll clean this wheel.
Thank you.
It's all soapy. It's all wet. Dad, come and see. This is really fun.
Great work, twins. Okay, now I need in this bucket some clean, soapy water, please.
Okay. We'll get it. I'll put the soap in. You do the tap. Okay. Wait for the water. We squeeze in the car shampoo. That's enough. A bit more, actually. Yeah, that's it. And we add the water. Whoa! Come on, Tim. Let's give this to Dad. Oh, hello, Mr. Fishwick. Hi, Mr. Fishwick.
Hello, Topsy and Tim. Oh, look at you two.
We're helping Dad wash the car.
Lucky Dad.
Bye, Mr. Fishwick. You go, Dad.
Good. Now, let's finish this job and get you two cleaned up before Mummy gets home.
I like that cleaning stick, Dad. Can I have a go, please?
No, sorry.
Oh.
Now, time for the really fun bit.
Yay! Tim, you got soap all over your hair.
Ready, set.
Again!
Okay.
Keep doing it, Dad.
Ready, set.
Hello.
Hello. Mwah.
Having fun?
Yes. We've had great fun. So much fun, Mum.
Messy fun.
Sorry.
Oh, you're all wet.
Yeah. Mummy told us to put on our dry clothes. And then we could go out for a drive in the clean car. She said that she wanted to show us something. Where are we going, Mummy? What did you want to show us?
I want to show you a house that's for sale on Westview Avenue. I've just been to see it.
And that's when Dad said, Mummy thinks it would be the perfect house for us to move to.
Mummy thinks it will be the perfect house for us to move to.
So are we really moving to a new house? I don't want to. I like our house.
Oh, don't worry, Tim. Maybe the house I found is nicer than this one. How does a bigger garden sound? Hmm? Or how about a bedroom of your own?
And it's got its own drive for washing the car. Oh, no. No, it's raining on my clean car. Oh.
Never mind. Should we go and see the new house in the rain? Okay, gang?
Yes!
Good.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today we helped Dad wash the car. But can you remember the colour of the car? Was it red? Or was it blue? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is blue. Watch this.
Now, time for the really fun bit.
Yay! Tim, you got soap all over your hair.
Ready, set.
Again!
Okay.
Keep doing it, Dad!
Ready,
Set!
set.
Great game! That was good fun. See you soon!